What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the verification failed error you are getting on your iPhone. There are multiple reasons on why you might be experiencing the Apple ID server error. And to fix it, we should first verify if the Apple account systems are operational. On your iPhone, open your preferred browser and head to apple.com/support/system-status or click on a link in the video description. Here, you can preview if all the servers are operational, including the Apple account servers. If it's not showing a green available icon, then you will have to wait a moment for the maintenance or server outage to be resolved. If the servers are all operational, then the problem is most likely related to your Apple ID account or a setting on your iPhone. Open up your Settings app. From here, head to the VPN section and make sure to disable your VPN if you're using one for now. Next, head to your General Settings. Here, tap on Date and Time and make sure to enable the Set Automatically option. This will ensure that the error is not triggered by your date and time and VPN settings. Next, open up your app switcher by swiping up from the bottom of your screen and close all apps, especially those that access your network while in use. When this is done, proceed to switch your connection from Wi-Fi to cellular or vice versa. An unstable network connection could also cause this error if you were trying to log in to your Apple account. You could even use a network speed testing app like Speedtest to see which connection performs better. Next, proceed to sign out of your Apple ID and back in. Head to your settings and from the top, tap on your name. Here, scroll down and tap on Sign Out before signing back into your account. This will ensure that you're properly logged in with your Apple ID and that the error is not caused by wrong login credentials. Lastly, ensure you're running the latest iOS version. In your settings, head to the General section and tap on Software Update. Download and install the latest update from here. You will be required to restart your iOS device, which will restart all network services and should fix there was an error connecting to the server you are getting. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.